Hey there, joy seekers. Welcome back to day 3 of our incredible 30-day affirmation challenge. It's a joy to have you here, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to light up that notification bell. Let's dive into today's affirmation and ignite a joy explosion. Today, we're unleashing a burst of pure joy. Get ready to put on your joy goggles and let positivity radiate from within. Are you excited? I know I am. Today, I choose joy and let it radiate through every moment. I am a magnet for positivity, laughter, and heartwarming experiences. My life is a canvas, and I paint it with vibrant, joyful colors. As you repeat this affirmation, visualize yourself surrounded by a colorful explosion of joy. Imagine every aspect of your life infused with laughter, lightness, and an irresistible sense of happiness. Here's your delightful challenge for the day: spread joy to others. Share a smile, a compliment, or a random act of kindness. Watch how your positive energy ripples through the world. Thank you for joining me on this exuberant day 3. Remember, joy is contagious, and you have the power to brighten someone's day. Share your joy-spreading experiences in the comments, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another affirmation that's sure to make you glow.